Hello guys, it's Mushroom FPV. How are you guys doing? Yes, it's been a while now. So tonight I'm here at Epicland, Discovery Bay, Hong Kong. Since I last vlogged here, I was with the project setting up this place for drone racing. So luckily this year we have sponsors, right? Sponsors. We have DJI hosting a STEM workshop for the 2 days event. 2 days event, when is it? This coming Saturday and Sunday, 14th and 15th of April. Vlog is a bit late. I've been very busy for the past few weeks and months. So tonight I'm here setting up this elimination course on day 1. So day 2 will be the final race. Elimination day. This place here behind me called Kids Zone. I'll walk you through the race course. There's a clip after this video just so you know how it is in terms of turns and stuff like that. So there's 8 of us. There will be 3 rounds, 3 laps, 4 heats. So that's one-on-one race until we get to the last 4 pilots. So the last 4 pilots will be racing on the second day, and we'll be making use of the space around me. As you can see, I'm sure you watched my earlier vlog where I flew the quad, I may say the whoop, on this place. Probably use the same path, but I'm actually tweaking it a little bit. So it's gonna be more fun in a way. So here's gonna be the spectators area, day 1 and day 2. So there's gonna be 2 televisions, 65-inch from Cortex. We'll be previewing the screens over there of what the drone is seeing. And here the fence, we fence out this area. Here's going to be where the pilots are sitting, tables and chairs. That's where the takeoff area is going to be. Here's a judge, commentator. Thanks Warwick, thanks Daniel for participating in this race, for commentating the race. Thank you very much. And basically this is the entire stretch from coming out from this kids zone. Like that. So that's going to be where the pit crews are. It's going to be where the pilots is going to be situated, setting up their quads and such. So yeah, this is it. So on day 2 it's going to be a little bit different story. Day 2 will be opening up this space. Nobody's allowed to walk in this area due to safety reasons. So on day 2 we will be starting in that area over there. Drones will be taking off at that spot, and pilots will be sitting over here, 4 of them. That's going to be where the pit area is, with the co-pilot waiting for instructions and guiding the pilots as they fly. Day 2 is going to be more interesting. I'm not sure if it happened in whoop races as yet. We'll be flying 10 laps. Yes, 10 laps. Day 2 is going to be 10 laps for finals, and we will have a pit area somewhere around this place where the pilot is going to take off. So whenever the pilot needs to change their battery, you've got 30 seconds to do so, because I understand that some radios, if you unplug the battery for more than probably maybe 30 seconds, you will have problems when piloting with your quad. So basically try that. You have less than 30 seconds to do so. Plug in the battery, and away you go. You take off once the co-pilot gives you a thumbs up sign, and you continue with the race until you finish the 10 laps. On the 11th lap, you'll be flying a special race course up there, like stretch and back to the S-turns, up the dive from far back there, as you can see, and diving back down here, so where the finishing line is basically. I'll be getting up some clips from the pilots who will be flying for the finals. And again, thank you for the sponsors, DJI for the goggles, the racing edition, means a lot. Thank you Epicland for having us here, place for us to use for drone racing. Context for the television, we've got 4 television. Is it 4 or 2? Can't remember. But we got television from Cortex, so we'll be using those for spectators view. And the race course is obviously set up by myself. So I named that Mushroom FPV, a little mushroom kind of logo. Yeah, the Epicland staff that had been very awesome for the past few weeks who help around setting up this race course. Brian from marketing, Nicole from STMP, thank you guys for making this happen. We hope that after this we get more inquiries about drone racing here at Epicland and to basically promote the hobby for the community here in Hong Kong and in the Discovery Bay and for the entire world. We want to spread this drone racing around the world. So friends coming over Sunday, I'll see you guys. Feel free, come and watch. So I think that's it, guys. These are the behind the scenes footages. Hope you guys like it, and I'll be vlogging on those 2 days, hopefully if I can, on the elimination day and the final day, probably an aftermath vlog. Not sure yet. I hope you like it. See ya. Ciao.